Bangalore will take on the Rajasthan Royals in the 42nd match of IPL 2025 at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bangalore on April 24th. RCB have been in solid touch this season, currently holding the third place on the points table with 5 wins in 8 games. Their recent victory against Punjab Kings showcased a classic Virat Kohli knock, where he scored 73 runs to anchor the chase. On the other hand, Rajasthan Royals have struggled this season with just 2 wins from 8 matches, placing them near the bottom of the table. Despite a close loss to LSG in their last match, Yashasvi Jaiswal's valiant 74-run knock was a positive takeaway for the Royals. Moving on to head-to-head record between these two sides. Historically, the rivalry between these two sides have been tightly contested. In their 29 matches, RR hold a slender advantage with 15 wins against RCB's 14 wins. The high-scoring nature of Chinnaswamy pitch adds to the excitement of this upcoming encounter. Moving on to the weather and pitch report. Expect overcast conditions with temperatures around 28 degrees Celsius. The Chinnaswamy surface is known to favor the batting with an average first innings score of 177 runs. Pacers tend to extract more assistance here compared to spinners. Chasing teams have historically had edge with 54% win rate. Moving on to where to watch this match live. Catch all the live action on Star Sports Network and Jio Hotstar applications from 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Moving on to the predicted playing 11s. Firstly, the Royal challenges Bangalore. Virat Kohli opening alongside Phil Salt, having Rajat Patidar the captain at number 3, Romario Shepherd at number 4, Jitesh Sharma the wicket-keeper at number 5, Tim David at number 6, Krunal Pandya at number 7, Bhuvneshwar Kumar at number 8, Suyash Sharma at number 9, Josh Hazelwood at number 10, Yash Dayal at number 11, and Devdutt Padikkal can come in as the impact player. Moving on to the Royals, Yashasvi Jaiswal opening alongside young Vaibhav Suryavanshi, having Nitish Rana at number 3, Captain Riyan Parag at number 4, Dhruv Jurel at number 5, Shimran Hetmeyer at number 6, Vanindu Hasranga at number 7, Jofra Archer at number 8, Mahesh Tikshana at number 9, Sandeep Sharma at number 10, Tushar Deshpande at number 11, and Shubham Dubey can come in as the impact player. Now the Dream 11 fantasy picks and the hot tips. Virat Kohli in classic form and a consistent run scorer. Phil Salt, explosive opener with potential to change the game in the power play. Moving on to the top picks. Yashasvi Jaiswal, coming off a 74-run knock, looks in dangerous touch. Riyan Parag, RR's consistent contributor in the middle order. Moving on to the budget picks. Devdutt Padikkal, steady top-order batsman who can anchor the innings. Vanindu Hasranga, all-round value with wickets and late over hitting. Moving on to the players to avoid. Manoj Bhandage, yet to play a game this season. Shubham Dubey, minimal impact so far with only 15 points in the last match. Now the expert advice. Small league captaincy choice, Virat Kohli. Grand League captaincy choice is Phil Salt. Punt picks are Devdutt Padikkal and Sandeep Sharma. An ideal Dream 11 team combination for this match is 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. Now moving on to the creamy patch Dream 11 teams. Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicket keepers are Phil Salt. Batsmen are Virat Kohli, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Rajat Patidar and Devdutt Padikkal. All-rounders are Riyan Parag, Krunal Pandya and Vanindu Hasranga. And the bowlers are Jofra Archer, Josh Hazelwood and Bhuvneshwar Kumar. So the seasoned Virat Kohli will be leading this side, having young Yashasvi Jaiswal as the vice-captain. Moving on to Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers are Phil Salt, batsmen are Virat Kohli, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Rajat Patidar, all-rounders are Riyan Parag, Krunal Pandya and Vanindu Hasranga, and the bowlers are Jofra Archer, Josh Hazelwood, Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Sandeep Sharma. This team will be led by wicket-keeper Philip Salt, having Riyan Parag as the vice-captain. Now the final segment, match winners prediction. Given the balanced form and squad strength, Royal Challengers Bangalore hold the upper hand and are favourites to secure another victory at their home. So stay tuned for more updates, match analysis and Dream 11 predictions only on your favourite channel, Cricket Addictor.